In today's video, we're going to take the Scandinavian snowflake pattern and turn it into a sunflower. We're going to use overlays to create the center of the sunflower, dyed reed to show the colors of the sunflower, and the Scandinavian snowflake pattern to create the overall structure. Be sure to find the pattern and additional supplemental instructions in the description below. Click on the more. You can download those to help you with this pattern. If you're part of our VIP library, you can find those on textileindie.com in the VIP library using your password. The materials in the pattern list suggest enough material to make a set of 3 sunflowers, so consider that as you're choosing your materials. We will use dyed reed in yellow and in brown, and this is 1/2 inch wide flat reed. I'm going to be using Titebond wood glue to hold the pieces together, and then I use 2-inch metal clamps to clamp the pieces so that they dry. I like using the Instant Bond Titebond glue because it dries rather quickly and it works well when the reed is damp. Make sure that you're working with damp reed as you weave because this will make sure it's pliable and that the glue actually sticks. It makes the reed more susceptible to absorbing the glue and getting that adherence to happen. And now follow the following steps to create your sunflower. you haven't already, find the additional pattern help in the description below with measurements and things to help you with your sunflower project. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I hope to see you in another one. Until then, happy making. Bye.